we're going to talk about combustion. Now, the experiments that we do today are dangerous, so you need to have a responsible adult help you with these if you're going to do them at all. I'm not sure I'm a responsible adult, but I do have a fire extinguisher here, and I plan to be very, very careful. For combustion, you need three things. You need a combustible material, something to burn. You need oxygen, and you need a flame. First thing I wanted to show you is this. This is called dragon's breath. Now, dragon's breath is a mold that is very, very combustible, but if I take dragon's breath and I put it in this little container, and then I take my lighter, and I think I'm going to wear a pair of safety goggles today just to be safe, and I put it in my lighter, I can't get it to light. But if I take dragon's breath you can see that if I squeeze it, it's very, very combustible. Well, what's the difference? Here we have no oxygen. Here, when we squeeze it out, there's oxygen all around it. So now let me try something else with dragon's breath. I'm going to put some in this tube. All right. And then I'm going to light it. Wow, that was cool. Let's try that again. So again, we light it. Wow! There we have oxygen, we have a combustible material, and we have a flame. Okay, let's do some more experiments with a different compound. This is calcium carbide. Now, calcium carbide was used in carbide lamps. Carbide lamps they use down in the mine. The interesting thing about calcium carbide is if you mix it with water, it lets off, as you can see, it lets off a gas. Very, very, very flammable gas, acetylene gas. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to take the calcium carbide, put it here. I have something else I wanted to show you with calcium carbide. We're going to take a piece of calcium carbide, put it in our bottle. There's our hole. See if we can get this to work. You only need a small piece. Get it to build up a little bit. Put our rag in. Wow! That was interesting. Let's try again. Light it up. Now you can see that the acetylene gas becomes under pressure, combusts, and blows our handkerchief off. Okay, let's try one more thing. We're going to try calcium carbide now in here. Let's see if we can get this to work. Again, we're going to put our calcium carbide in there. It's making our gas. Woo! That's combustion. I hope you liked it.